Alright, a little video here to show you the flood versus the throw. So let me turn this off. This will be the BL03. There's flood. There's throw. Flood. Throw. Pretty well defined. Now if I turn that off and go to the Newboler, flood, throw, flood, throw. You can see it's not quite as defined because the throw LED still floods so much. It doesn't throw out there so well. Whoop. So there you have it. I guess another thing I could do here, we could do flood of the Newboler, flood of the BL03. Newboler, BL03. Again, Newboler, BL03. Now we could go throw of the Newboler, throw of the BL03. Newboler, BL03.